Changing the language in the HBO Max app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Locate the profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select Language Preferences. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Language or Language Preferences. Tap on this option to view the available languages. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. From the list of available languages, select your preferred language. This will change the app's interface language and may also affect subtitle options. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, ensure you save the changes if prompted. Exit the settings menu and return to your content to see the changes in effect. Now you can enjoy your HBO Max experience in your chosen language. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the app's help section or support for further assistance.